I'm now going to show you how to multiply with the box method, which is the new way of learning. And it really is easy. So here it goes. Let's say I'm going to start off with the number 19 times 3. Okay, typically I would put the 7 down, carrying the 2 block. Okay, but I want to break 19 apart, and I want to always find like a base 10. So 10 plus 9 is 19. And I'm going to make a little chart. The last digit I need to multiply is 3, because I'm going to do 3 times 19, but I broke the 19 into 10 and 9. Well, I can put my zeros down, because I have to multiply 3 times 10, and then I have to add it, and I'm going to do 3 times 9. And it's important that you know what you're going to multiply next, because on a test, it's going to say what digits get multiplied together. They might ask you the step without actually solving it. So 3 times 10 is 30, and 3 times 9 is 27. And when I add up those two numbers, I get 57. Wow. Let's say I'm doing 22 times 17. Oh, this one's hard. Okay, so I'm going to break apart the 22 into 20 plus 2. The next digit I'm going to break apart is 17. I'm going to break it into 10 plus 7. Okay, I'm going to make my little squares. And I'm going to have to multiply 10 times 20, 10 times 2, 7 times 20, 7 times 2. And then I'm going to add up all the numbers. Again, when you're multiplying any number that ends in a 0, you count the zeros. So there's 2 zeros here. I put them down, and now it's 2 times 1 is 2. There's 1 0 here, and now 2 times 1 is 2. 1 0 here, and 2 times 7 is 14. No zeros here. And 7 times 2 is 14. And I have to add up 200 plus 140 plus 20 plus 14. And I'm going to do, I find it very helpful to check off so you don't leave a number out. You add it up because it's sloppy. 4, 7, 3. That should be right. Let's check it out. 7 times 2 is 14. Put the 4 down. Carry the 1. That's 15. 1 times 2 is 2. Hold the spot. 1 times 2 is 2. We add it up. 4 plus nothing. 5 and 2 is 7. Phew, I did that. One more box. I'll make this one a little bit easier. I didn't make it that much easier. So I'm going to put 324 into expanded form. So that's 300 plus 20 plus 4. And I'm going to make my little pluses, little columns. Okay? Boom. 17 breaks apart into, I'm going to put it on the side, 10 plus 7. I'm going to separate. Now I have to multiply. 10 times 300, 10 times 20, and 10 times 4. 7 times 300, 7 times 20, 7 times 4. I'm going to write my answers. Well, don't forget, what I like to do is put the zeros in. So I got a 0 here. I've got 3 zeros, and 3 times 1 is 3. 2 zeros, because 10 times 20, and 1 times 2. 10 times 4, ends in a 0, is 40. 7 times 300, it's going to end with 2 zeros, and 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 20 ends in a 0, and now 7 times 2 is 14. It's just easier that way. And then 7 times 4 is 28, and I have to add all these numbers up. So I'm going to put 3,000, don't forget, Check it off so you don't forget it. 2100, 200, and again, you can add it in any order, but I like to do it descending. 140, 40, and then 28. And I'm going to add up all of that. Okay. 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry. 2, 4, 5. And that's 5. 5508. There you have it.